Welcome to this tutorial. How to insert Excel sheet in Word. Have you ever found yourself stuck between the powerful number crunching capabilities of Excel and the sleek word processing features of Word? Now, we all know the classic copy and paste routine, but let's face it, it has its drawbacks. What if there was a way to integrate your Excel data into Word with more finesse and control? Let's learn together. Follow the steps as shown in this video, and soon you'll be a pro at merging Excel and Word effortlessly. Open a blank Word document on your PC. Now open an Excel sheet that you want to insert in MS Word. Select the rows and columns in a spreadsheet and then right-click on it. From the drop-down list, click on the Copy option. Open your Word document and place the cursor where you want to insert the Excel data. Right-click on the Word document and click on any paste options from Keep Source Formatting. This will use the same format style as you have created in Excel. Next options are Use Destination Styles, Link and Keep Source Formatting, and Link and Use Destination Styles. I am clicking on the first paste option. This will insert the Excel data in Word. But the problem with this style is if you will change any data or figures in your spreadsheet, then it won't update the Word automatically. Let's remove this copied Excel data from the Word. Select the data in your Excel sheet again and copy it. Go back to the Word document and right-click on an empty place. Click on the Link and Keep Source Formatting Paste option from the list. Save this Word document file and go back to the Excel sheet. Now, when you change the data or figures in the Excel sheet, then it will automatically update the data in the Word document. Wasn't that helpful? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.